Look at you, moving right along nicely. The next step is to connect your domain to PromptROI. Then your audience can shop in your AI marketplace in your branded environment. So the first step to connect your domain is to add an A record to your DNS. That may sound foreign to some, but I assure you it's not that hard at all. If you don't have a domain, you will need to purchase one. You can go to domains.marketchief.io and buy your domain there for a few bucks, or any other domain provider. Once you have your domain, you will go into your domain manager. This is where you can manage your DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name Settings. Simple, right? If you just purchased your domain, you may already have an A record in your domain containing a parked record. You can just edit this A record or delete it and add a new one. Either way, I recommend putting your AI marketplace on a subdomain. That way you can use your primary domain for your landing pages and sales funnels. So app. Is usually a good way to go. So the type of record is an A record. For the name of the record, you can call it app. And for the value of the record, put 76.76.21.21, then save it. That's it. Now PromptROI can talk to your domain. Pretty cool, right? The final step is to give it a few minutes to do something called propagation. This is when the changes you made essentially update across all the servers worldwide. Then log into PromptROI and click on Settings. Then click on White Label and you'll default to the domain settings. If you didn't connect your domain during the initial onboarding, you will want to enter your domain name here and click Check Domain. If you see your domain is configured correctly, go ahead and click on Connect Domain. And that's it. Your domain is connected to PromptROI, and your audience can now visit your app.subdomain and sign up for your AI marketplace. Hey, you should stop and do a little dance. If your Stripe is connected and your domain is connected, you are 80% of the way there. Let's keep going. The next step is to send out your referral link to as many people as possible. When they sign up and get connected, you get 7 more free days in your trial. How long can you go without getting billed by us? Go to the next video to learn how to play along.